All Kenyans present and living in Botswana, ladies.
For diaspora affairs in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Dr. Alitumwa and the entire executive, a great moment we've been waiting for, and Kenyans are. Excellency, to briefly take back in the 90s when our economy was a bit going down, and Botswana was, who were talents, who were professionals. 10,000 Kenyans came here. There were doctors, there were lawyers, engineers, teachers, lecturers, IT, all those things. So, Your Excellency, this is, as you are aware, we have about 3 to 4 million Kenyans. They are the biggest foreign exchange earners. They are the biggest investors back to and tourism put together. So in essence, what I'm talking about is phenomenal, and we have to embrace it. And we are happy to the government. Today we have a permanent secretary.
You have preempted something.
Full disclosure, Dr. Kema was a doctor in my local town.
Thank you. I think what you're saying is true. Our engagement on the rehab center, it's a